Manufactured woods are timber-based products made by gluing smaller pieces of wood together. These woods are chosen by designers when they need consistency in strength, workability, and texture. They are plain in appearance and are often disguised by more decorative materials, for example, veneers. MDF is medium-density fiberboard. It's made of fine wood dust mixed with glue, then heated and compressed into sheets, looking like fibers squashed together. It's strong and it doesn't warp if it gets damp. Hardboard is made like MDF but is thinner and denser. It sometimes comes with a plastic surface on one side and is used for drawer bottoms and cupboard backs.
Chipboard is similar to MDF, made with wood chips, glue and compressed into sheets. Think of wood chips squashed together. This type of wood is very cheap to make but not very strong and is used for tabletops and cheap furniture. Blockboard is strips of softwood glued together and sandwiched between two layers of veneer on each side. This type of board looks nice. Having the outer veneers glued with their grain at right angles to the grain of the inner core makes the board even stronger.
The last type of manufactured board is plywood, which is made from lots of layers of wood glued together. This wood is very popular in building and furniture making. The layers of wood are glued together with their grain at right angles to each other, which makes it very strong and resistant to warping and twisting compared to plain woods. Plywood can also be bent to create curves in furniture and can have a veneer to make it look attractive.
Manufactured boards come in a range of sizes so that there's no waste of materials. They are usually sold in sheets 2,440 mm long by 1,220 mm wide, or half sheets of 1,220 mm on each side. The thickness of the sheets goes up in 3 mm intervals, so 3, 6, 9 mm and so on. Boards are available with holes already punched in for putting hooks in or attaching shelves to, called pegboards. Mouldings are also available. These are made of MDF and come in set sizes for picture rails and door panels.
Manufactured boards can look plain and uninteresting. You can paint the boards, but if you do, you need to seal them first with an MDF sealer, otherwise the cut edges will soak up lots of paint and it will take you several layers of paint to complete. Boards that have a hardwood veneer can be finished like timber, so they can be varnished, oiled or painted. You can even apply a thin layer of plastic to the board to create a laminate. This can be coloured, for example black-covered chipboard for shelving, or have a wood grain effect, for example wood effect laminate flooring.